Intebloc InteView. Lifting and the use of cranes is fundamental during construction, operation and decommissioning of infrastructure across the energy sector. Lack of visibility during crane lifting operations can cause accidents and impact project schedules. Combining digital technology with the development of new skills will create a safer and more efficient working environment. Intebloc Ltd has developed InteView, a wireless camera, both ATEX and non-ATEX rated, which is mounted on the crane block and connects to a display unit located in the crane operator's cab. Images are displayed in real time on a high-definition screen, with the technology incorporating a people tracking function. This alerts the crane operator to potential hazards and ensures they have full line of sight during operations, avoiding blind lifts and collisions with objects and people. This innovative camera system is battery-powered and easily retrofitted to any crane. Unlike wired systems, InteView does not require specialist vendors to travel to site. This also avoids the need to shut down the crane for fitting. It can be fitted using magnets and lanyards in minutes rather than hours. This technology is proven to reduce the time taken per lift, the reliance on radio communication, and the number of banksmen required, culminating in estimated total annual savings of £3.2 million across the UKCS. As we create the energy basin of the future, InteView will ensure safer installation of wind turbines and other infrastructure, lowering the number and severity of lifting incidents.